Need a little kickstart to your creativity this year? The Blooming Botanicals Choose Happy set is just the encouragement you're looking for. It's a fresh style with a reversed out text that really pops with these lovely florals. Your selection comes with everything you see here: a 9x12 white framed Grayson Couture Boutique board, the B-sized Choose Happy transfer, and 2 paste singles, Peony and Guava. Let's get started. I've got a work mat, my surface and transfer, some small dishes to use for paste, 2 small squeegees, my transfer trimmers, and a fuzzing cloth. First, I'll prep my transfer by removing it from the backer. Then I'll press it to my fuzzing cloth to pick up a bit of lint, which just eases the adhesive a little bit, especially on a new transfer. I'll get it centered on the board and then smooth it out to make sure there are no wrinkles. I'll prep my paste by kneading the packets to make sure they are mixed well, then snip the corner off and squeeze them out. I'm going to be creating an ombre from the center of the transfer out, so I need both pastes ready in order to work quickly before the paste dries. To achieve a beautiful ombre look, I'll load up my squeegee with Guava, applying it mostly to the center of the transfer, just avoiding the edges of the design. I'm leaving the paste a little thicker here for now, just so I have time to work with it. Then, with my second squeegee, I'll bring in this lovely peony color around the outside of the design. Now here's the fun part. I'll soften that line between colors by blending them together, kind of like finger painting, until I have a nice gradient from one color to the other. I have to work fast in order to make sure the paste isn't drying before I finish. Once I've got that blended, I'll scrape off the excess. And now it's time for the very best part, peeling the transfer. I'm making sure to pull from the middle to avoid stretching the transfer. And there it is! This technique is so cute and fun and will be the perfect kickstart to your creativity this year.